Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to add that soft edge effect to an image in Google Slides, the full 2026 method. It's a super clean look, and yeah, it only takes a few steps. So let's jump right in. All right, first thing, open your Google Slides project. If you're starting fresh, just create a blank presentation, nothing fancy needed. Now go up to the Insert menu and choose Image. You can upload from your computer, grab it from Drive, or, whatever source works for you. With your image selected, look to the top toolbar and click Format Options. If you don't see it, try clicking the three dots to expand the tools. All right, here's the good part. Inside Format Options, open the section labeled Drop Shadow or Adjustments. Google Slides doesn't have a literal soft edges button, but you can create the exact same effect using blur and transparency. Yeah, works great. So increase the blur to soften the edges around your image, then lower the transparency just a bit to blend it naturally into the background. Play with the sliders until the image feels smooth and diffused. If you want the edges even softer, you can duplicate the image, blur the bottom layer more, and keep the top layer slightly sharper. It gives you that soft halo effect, really clean for thumbnails and presentations. And that's it. You now know how to add soft edge effects to images in Google Slides using the full 2026 method. It's simple, it's flexible, and yeah, it definitely upgrades your design. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video, subscribe, and tap that little bell so you don't miss the next guide.